Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds EDIFIER HECATE GX07 from your Android device. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices or Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the right side we have a button disconnect, and you need to tap at this line. But if you want to totally remove your earbuds, you need to select forget with this trash icon. Because once I click at the disconnect, as you can see, I stop Bluetooth connection with these earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And then I can reconnect it by just tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!